How to recover Gmail account password without recovering email and phone number. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Gmail recovery and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Account support, open it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now, enter the email address or the phone number that you use to sign into your account. After you type in, click on Next. Now click on Forgot Password. You will be directed to this page. Now a device will pop up where this account is logged in. In that device, you'll get the pop-up. You have to type in this number given over here in that device. Once you confirm that, you'll be logged into your account. In the case you don't have access to this device, what you can do is click on the option Try a different question. Click on More tips to recover account. Now you can use your old password to log into your account. Once you provide the enough proofs, you will be able to get access to your account. So, this is how you can recover Gmail account password without recovering email and phone number. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.